my beautiful people, welcome back. It's the final day of our 7-day food talk series, and I just want to say thank you for being here with me. It's been an amazing journey talking about food, flavors and hacks for better eating. Today we're wrapping it up with one of the most important meals of the day, which is breakfast. Healthy breakfast can set the tone for your entire day, giving you energy, focus and improving your mood. But let's be honest, how many of us actually eat a proper breakfast? Be real. Do you eat breakfast every day? Drop a comment below. If you are someone who skips breakfast or just grab a cup of coffee and calls it a meal, this episode is for you. I'll be sharing simple, delicious and nutritious breakfast idea that you can make even on your busiest morning. Let's get into it, guys. First, let's talk about why breakfast is so important. When you wake up, your body has been fasting for hours. Your brain and muscles need fuel to function properly. Skipping breakfast can lead to low energy, brain fog, and even overeating later in the day. And no, coffee is not breakfast. I don't know who needs to hear this, but yes, coffee is not breakfast. Your body needs actual nutrients to function well. The best breakfast includes 3 things. One is protein. It keeps you full longer and helps with muscle repairs. The second thing is healthy fat. It supports brain function and keeps you satisfied. The last but not the least is fiber. Fiber is great for digestion and stabilizing blood sugar. Now let's get into some easy and delicious healthy breakfast ideas. If you are busy and always on the go, overnight oats is a lifesaver. You prep them the night before and in the morning, breakfast is ready to eat. Here's how you make it. Half cup of oats plus half cup of milk or yogurt for creaminess. For protein boost, you can add a scoop of protein powder or chia seed. For sweetness, you can mash in a banana or drizzle honey. And toppings, you can add fresh fruit, nuts or peanut butter. Just mix everything in a jar, leave it in the fridge overnight and boom, a ready to eat nutrient-packed breakfast. Now, who loves a good toast in the morning? But instead of a plain bread and butter, let's upgrade it. Here is a power-packed version. Toast a slice of whole grain bread, mash half an avocado on top and a boiled, poached or scrambled egg. Sprinkle with salt, pepper, and a pinch of chili flakes for flavor. This combo gives you protein, fiber, and healthy fat all in one, plus it's super quick to make. Now let's look at smoothie bowl. If you're not a fan of heavy meals in the morning but still want something nutritious, a smoothie bowl is perfect. It's like eating ice cream for breakfast except healthy. Just blend 1 frozen banana, half cup of berries, and half cup of yogurt or almond milk. For toppings, you can use granola, coconut flakes, nuts or seeds for crunch. It's colorful, fun, and packed with vitamins. Now let's see high protein pancakes. Who said pancakes can't be healthy? Try this protein packed pancake recipe. Get 1 mashed banana, 1 egg, half cup of oats, half teaspoon of baking powder, a dash of cinnamon, blend and cook it like regular pancakes. They are naturally sweet and packed with fiber, protein and energy to keep you going. Then the African inspired breakfast, sweet potato and peanut butter. For my African lovers, here's a simple yet highly nutritious breakfast idea. Boiled or roasted sweet potato with peanut butter. It's a fantastic combo for complex carbs, healthy fat and protein. Super filling and perfect if you love something hearty in the morning. Okay guys, these are some of my go-to healthy breakfast ideas. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments, and if you have your own favorite breakfast, share it. I'd love to hear from you. Now, this brings us to the end of our 7-day food talk series. I hope you've learned some helpful tips and ideas along the way. If you enjoyed this series, don't forget like, share and subscribe so we can keep the food talk going in future videos. Thank you for being here and I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy, stay nourished and keep enjoying your food. God bless you and I love you. Bye guys.